Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. What's up, you guys? Guess what? We went on ahead and did it. You know that sofa you see on social media where it blows up into a big giant couch? Well, we finally did it. We got it right here, and we get ready to unbox it for you guys. This is the big boy. I think this is officially the 5-foot one. This is the one right underneath the jumbo rod. This is the 5-foot. So we get ready to unbox this thing and see how it goes. See, it's heavy already. It ain't even blown up yet. So let's go. Make sure I don't cut anything. Ooh, yeah. Just get this baby open. Ooh, yeah. Hey, I like this because it came pre-filled. Make sure you guys click the link in the description because you want to get the one that's pre-filled. Sometimes you get tricked and get the ones that don't have the filling in it. Ooh, okay. So this how I see how they did it now. So here's the actual bean bag. Oh, they gave me a free blanket. Ooh, a little cozy blanket right there. Blanket. And here's, I guess these are the fillers right here in this box. Let me take this. Oh, ooh, this thing gonna be crazy. Let's get that on the side. So they gave me a free blanket. Thank you very much. And this looks like the cover. Yeah, this is the cover for it. And I guess this is the filler. Yeah, these are the fillers. So look at this, you guys. Let me bring this over to you. That's the filler right there. So I guess, yeah, they put it right here. That's kind of crazy. So I guess once you cut this right here, well, the question is,
you want to put it in the thing first.
Yeah.
I already know how that goes.
So this get ready to blow up. All right, you guys. So let's do it right. So first,
you need this.
Yeah. First we're gonna open this up. Cause this is the cover. So let's get the cover open. Make sure we don't cut anything. So this is the cover. So first we open the cover up. There's the cover.
Look nice and silky.
Ooh, silky. Oh, they get. Ooh, yeah, look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. All right, y'all. This is the. Oh, this feels good, y'all. This is. What is this? What is this right here? What's this piece? Oh, this is what is that?
Look like a pocket.
See, look.
You guys zipping that up.
I don't know. Maybe if you gotta use the bathroom, you just zip that down. I don't know. I don't know what that is. It's got like a zipper on it.
Do you even know what you bought, sir?
I don't know. They gave me a lot of free stuff. Okay, here we go, you guys. So I'm gonna do it like this. It ain't really no instructions in it, so.
Yeah, we definitely know you gotta put that over that first before you cut it open.
Yeah, because you're gonna have to fight it if you don't.
Yeah, that's them down
minute,
feathers.
Cause yeah. Wait a minute. The zipper. Look how this zipper is doing though. Wait a minute. So look. See how that opens up? Why is this opening like that? Okay. Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it, you guys, cause I think it's gonna be real difficult.
I think you better zipping half of it back up.
No, I think we're gonna be able to.
You got it open too wide up, trust me.
You did one of these before?
I know what that down pillow do once it open, once it explode. Yep.
Alright. So I'm gonna break it over a little bit. So.
Alright, yeah. Now you gotta cut. So that's gonna fill all of that. Look how wide that thing is. Yeah. That's gonna fill all of that.
So just open it like this?
Yeah.
Cause I got it underneath.
Yeah.
Alright, I got it underneath. So I still be able to zipping it up. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Okay. You ready? Here we go. So this how you do it, you guys. You make sure you put that in first. Here we go. Here we go.
And usually things like this, they tell you let it set for like 24 hours.
It's got 2 wrappings on it.
Oh, I'm sure. It's getting ready to get crazy.
You get ready to go crazy with it?
Yeah, it's getting ready to get crazy.
Woo. That's one. They double compressed it. Here we go. You ready? You ready, little baby?
I hope you ready.
You ready?
I don't think you ready.
I might not be.
One.
Uh-oh, I hit. Go hit.
Alright. Is it another?
Nah, this is it.
Okay. Oh, look. Ooh, look at how it's rising up.
This
Ooh,
is,
shorty.
you guys, this is the filler. This is the filler.
You better hurry up and get it zipping up, because it's getting ready to get crazy.
I need my seals. It's rising too.
I'm laughing because it's rising like south rising flower.
Yeah, the more air it gets, the more it rises.
Can y'all see it already? How much it grew? We should have put something.
Zoom in on it.
I'm trying. I don't know my. You gonna have to do it.
Yeah, you just zoom in.
See, it ain't
Wait a
working.
minute. Wait. What mode you on?
See, it ain't zooming.
Uh,
It ain't zooming for some reason. That was swallowed too. Maybe it's that one.
What's this right here? What's this zipper?
It look like
That's just the stuff that's in it.
Oh, they did. They was nice, you guys. They actually put a zipper, so the down feather is actually inside another zipper. Yeah, let me take this off here for 2 seconds so we get close. So I can show y'all. They put this actually inside of another zipper, cause if not, this y'all see it swelling. Do y'all see how much it swelled since he took it off?
Then while you think we should let it get the air?
No, it's gonna keep going. You already done bust the seal. It's good. Ooh, shorty. Look how big it's got already. We should have put it beside your chair over there.
So it's got a lot to go. Look, you guys, so look. It's gonna fill this up. Look how much it's got to go. I think it should get some air though.
It's tough
Cause the air what makes
what's in there now? You can.
don't do that.
Look, just for that little bit. Look, shake it out. Look at that. Woo, shorty. That's getting crazy. Look, he is so excited. We're gonna be terrible. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. We probably could have left the gray part off since they put it in. I didn't even realize they put it inside that bag. That's crazy. What the other little zipper pocket thing you had? Is that a pillow to go with it?
Might be. I'm not sure.
Cause if anybody already purchased this, do y'all know what this is? Are we supposed to take some of the fluff out of there and put it in here? Cause this zipping in half.
Yeah, so when you zip this up,
Yeah, I think that's some kind of pillow.
might be I don't know. I gotta look it up. Y'all know what this is. Y'all let us know. We'll figure it out. I don't know what that is.
Look at this thing, girl.
I know what this is right here.
This trips me out right here. Like, look how crazy that is already
And this is right here.
in a
This
short amount of time.
This is a free cover. Free cover to you.
Yeah, that's a blanket I'm gonna steal when he ain't looking, you guys.
Look at that.
Oh, that look like a rug.
Yeah, okay. So, this is a blanket.
And that's the rug. You
and
put that on.
This is a rug.
Yeah, they gave him a smoothie rug.
Oh, it's supposed to go underneath the rug.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
That's
the rug.
the rug.
Yeah, that's the rug.
Ooh, I be having to teach him something, y'all. I be having to learn him something. I'll take it that upstairs. You don't need it.
Yeah.
He got this big old rug down here we already
Look,
put.
you guys. Look how big this baby got. Oh.
And this ain't even been out for 24 hours yet.
Yeah.
I think you might need to put some of that fluffy in there though. Yeah, and it ain't even big.
Huh?
He having too much fun already, y'all.
Yeah.
I want to play with that thing over there. I'm trying to figure out what that is over
That's
there.
a blanket.
No,
I
but I
can
think
look it up and see.
come on, get
But
your phone. Where you at?
This it right here, you guys. I gotta get this all the way on the other phone. This big boy. Look, y'all see how big the sofa is. This the cover. You can't put it back in the cover though. I'm gonna tell you that though. But there it is right here, you guys. I think I'm gonna unzip it and so it can get more air. I'm gonna unzip it so I can get a little bit more air. But it's got.
Yeah, he can't even find it. It's already too big.
There, go.
Yeah, it was already too big. He can't even find it, y'all.
Look, I'm curious to
And
see.
the crazy part is, this ain't even been a whole 15 minutes yet that it started
We're not
unfolding.
supposed to take that. Are we supposed to take this stuff?
I wouldn't.
No.
I wouldn't.
Are we supposed to take it out of here?
I wouldn't. No, it's unfolding. The bag is unfolding too.
Oh, okay.
Cause it's down. What you call it? Down feathers in there.
Yeah, fellas. Yeah.
See how that's unfolding just as big.
Let me see. I'm gonna just take a peek. Take it out the try. Take a peek. Let's see what's in here.
I already know it's down feathers.
Look. Hey. Oh, they stitched it up. So you can't.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. So I guess you don't put none in the other thing.
Well, unless you break the seal, you can still break the seal. So
Yeah,
these
but
are
you don't
the.
want to do that because it's little feathers. Look,
Yeah.
see. If you
So
can
we're gonna
see.
let it sit like this. But
See,
just
here
so
go a
you guys,
pink one.
Hey, you guys. Y'all definitely check this out. Link will be in the description, baby. I finally did. I got it. Ooh, got me a free thing. And let us know what that is. I think it's a blanket. So, other than that, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.